Hello, and thank you for joining me for another video about home body weight workouts. Today what I'm going to do is a chest exercise, but I'm going to do a double kind of a forward back exercise using a little bit wider than shoulder width hand position. So basically I just sit on the floor, I go forward and down at an angle, and then up at a different angle, sort of pushing forward. So let me demonstrate that. And to do so, let's move the chair out of the way first of all. So, okay. And then what I'm going to do is just put my hands here a little bit wider than shoulder width. Okay. And then what I do is kind of put my body back like so, come down, and then up, forward, up. Okay. So back, down, up, back, down, and then push forward, back, down, up. It's kind of a double push-up. Back, breathe normally. It's kind of a double push-up. And my hand spacing is a little bit wider than shoulder width, okay? It's kind of a challenging push-up because you're doing two at the same time in different directions. Just be in control. Okay, so as you're doing them, just make sure you're in control of the motion. Breathe normally, keep your back straight, and it's basically, like a double push-up. You come from a rear position, a back position, and then you come down, and then you go up and you push forward. All right, so one more time. A little bit wider than shoulder. Cross your legs over and you can pivot on your back feet. Forward, back, forward, back. Okay. Woo! That's quite challenging. You're doing a double push-up. Just breathe in on the way down and then breathe out on the way up. Pretty simple exercise, but very effective. Okay. All right. Let's go one more time. Okay, just make sure that you're always in control of the motion, okay? That's very important. Just make sure that you're controlling it, that you're not, jerking from side to side or doing something like that. All right. And, if I want, I can also do some standard push-ups at about the same, in between. Just to give it a little variation. Okay. And then go one more time with these double push-ups. And try to adjust them according to your level, okay? Whatever level you're at. Try to work up slowly. Don't injure yourself. Don't over stress, overstrain yourself. All right, and let's do a quick
in between right here. Standard push-up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. And just take a moment to catch your breath. Give a little flex in between, always helps. Just adds a little more definition to your muscles, tears them, rips them a little bit more. 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And then we can get right back into the exercise. Whew. Okay. All right, about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, and then right back into it. From the back position, up, down, up, forward, pivot your feet forward, and then back. Okay, and just go about it, go up quickly and down slowly to get both negative and positive resistance. All right, let's just do a standard push-up. All right. Okay. Another quick flex. Okay. And just keep going and just max out as to the furthest level that you can. Just go and stay motivated. All right, let's go one more time here. Back position. Up. Pivot your feet forward. And back. All right. And I'm pretty much getting to multiple points of failure, multiple levels of failure, which is one of the most important things to do. And we're about at that point now. Okay, so I'll do one more standard push-up. Nice and slowly. Okay, and then right back into the double push-up. Okay. Whew. All right, and that's about it. So you're doing 2 different push-ups at the same time, just to vary the workout and to kind of target the muscles from different areas. Very easy thing to do. And if you just work, make sure you do it as quickly as you can. Try to work as hard as you can on it, and just don't give up. Try to always push yourself to the next level. And thank you very much for joining me, and really appreciate it. And keep motivated to work it out at home. It's not as hard as it looks, or not as hard as it sounds, even though you're in your home environment. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video.